Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw BNB Beacon Chain from Trust Wallet. For that you need to launch Trust Wallet, and after that you need to tap on BNB. Once done, you will notice that this is the BNB, which is BNB Beacon Chain. Now over here, in order to withdraw your BNB Beacon Chain, you need to tap on send button. Then it will ask you to paste the address or the domain name. So in order to get it, you will have to launch any other exchanges or wallet in which you are going to withdraw your BNB Beacon Chain. For this video, I have selected the Binance. So you will have to launch Binance, and after that you need to tap on the deposit button. Then you need to tap on deposit crypto, and after that in the search bar you will have to search for BNB. After selecting BNB, it will ask you to choose the network. So in the network you will have to choose the BNB Beacon Chain, which is BEP2. Then it will show you the deposit address as well as the BNB memo. So first you will have to copy the deposit address from here. Then you need to come back to Trust Wallet and paste the address. Then you will have to enter the amount of BNB that you want to transfer. After that, in the memo, you will have to come back to Binance and copy this BNB memo, and you need to go to Trust Wallet again, and then you need to paste it over here. Then you need to press the next button in the bottom, and on the next page you just have to confirm your withdrawal. This way you will be able to withdraw your BNB Beacon Chain from Trust Wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.